Let's create a consistent character. I became one, but you can also an animated character sweet as this. Let me show you how I did mine. So, first sign up to Airflow. Let's build an actor. This is amazing because you can create your consistent character and you can have it in your stories. Can you imagine? So let's start creating our actor. Actress. Once you click on create an AI actor, all you have to do is make some choices. So, select gender, name, age, upload your pictures. Pay attention because they have to be very good. Looking at the camera, showing a profile. The better pictures you give, the better results. That's it. Click generate and you have to wait for a little bit. You'll get an email and then you just need to use it in your projects. So now imagine you have your consistent character. Let's see how you can use it. When you open Actor Builder, here you are, your character. Click on it. And describe your scene, describe your clothes. Work on your prompt to have a good result. Don't forget you need to choose the style. Just keep ticking the boxes and you're good to go. Generate. Results will appear on the right menu. If you want, you can also use a photo reference. Let's check it out. I uploaded my photo. So this time I'll be a journalist in a studio. How about the result? Well, I loved it. Now just download it. So I'll just leave you with the results, and as you can see, they look so much like the photo. Awesome, right? So if you like the video, don't forget I have amazing playlists with wonderful free AI tools for you in your projects. Do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you. Bye-bye for now. Thank you.